We know many of you guys frequently wonder about our electricity bill and just how much electricity we use and how expensive it must be to run our setup. Well, our entire house really, with so many screens, tech products, and lights. The truth is, it's not that much at all, but it could of course always be better. That is why we are checking out two solar-powered products today. One Wi-Fi and one Bluetooth version of BaldrTherm's solar-powered Thermo-Hygrometers. Thankfully, they monitor both temperature and humidity, which helps us keep all of our tech safe from mold and other component failure as well. Thank you to BaldrTherm for sponsoring today's video and sending us these products for review. First up, let's talk a bit about solar power. Solar power is great as it allows you to use natural light to power devices. This is good for cost reasons, of course, but also more environmentally friendly thanks to its clean and renewable power that helps solve a huge environmental problem by not contributing to the climate crisis. Solar boost technology can capture natural light to extend battery life and reduce battery replacement, overall giving you a better and cost-efficient way to get power. It's overall a great option, and we are excited that these BaldrTherm products both use solar power. Who knows, maybe eventually our whole setup will be powered by solar. The BaldrTherm Wi-Fi hygrometer thermometer is a 3-pack of smart temperature and humidity monitor system that connects to an app on your phone. It uses solar power to extend its power up to 12 months, so you don't have to swap the battery out as often. It harnesses sunlight with ultra-low energy to save you time and money. It's a nice way to incorporate solar power into your everyday devices. This product will quickly and accurately monitor the temperature and humidity with its professional-grade sensor for precise accuracy. You can place it in any room that you'd like to monitor, be that your bedroom, wine cellar, greenhouse, or in our case, our gaming setup in our basement. We had a guy over to fix our AC unit a few months ago, and he recommended that we get a humidifier down here to avoid any mold buildup, which is bad in general, but even worse for tech. Mold will block airflow, leading to overheating and eventually component failure. Less humidity would also protect the tech from rusting, as moisture causes condensation, which then leads to corrosion, as well as other general tech issues like short circuits and electrical faults. As you can see, it's very important to keep the humidity down, especially since we have so much stuff we want to protect down here. We spent so much time, energy, and money on building all of this up. The last thing we want is for it to get damaged when there's such an easy way to prevent that from happening. The AC guy recommended to keep the humidity under 50%, as 30 to 50% humidity is recommended for electronics and mold prevention. So for that, we needed a way to monitor the humidity. This product helps with that and can even connect to an app on your phone for real-time data about the temp and humidity levels, as well as real-time updates and alerts if the temp or humidity changes below custom set points. You can also view a historic graph of the data over time. It's a great way to bring peace of mind to any area of your house. Since it's a 3-pack, you can place these anywhere in your home to cover different areas. You can actually connect up to 39 of their sensors throughout your entire home. We also like to use them thanks to their small form factor, as it blends into the space. This 3-pack goes for around $50, which is a pretty good deal for the amount of space you can cover, app functions, and ease of setup. A more budget-friendly option though is their Bluetooth version of their BaldrTherm hygrometer. That again monitors the temp and humidity of an area, but it's more simple and comes in a 2-pack. This pack goes for around $15 to $20. It uses Bluetooth and supports a range of up to 200 feet, or 60 meters, with data being refreshed every 10 seconds. This version also supports solar, which extends the battery life to 12 months as well, so you don't have to worry about swapping the battery in these often either. They can also connect to an app that shows you the temp and humidity, and can alert you if the conditions change, as well as show you historical data. While it is a simpler version of the Wi-Fi one, it still shows you what you need to know. And it is, as mentioned, a great budget option. One downside is that it's bulkier, but that might not matter depending on where you decide to place it. Thank you again to BaldrTherm for sponsoring this video and sending us these two options to make sure our basement is under the right temps and not too humid to avoid anything from breaking. Check out the description for links to more info about both products, and please do let us know in the comments down below how or if you monitor your temps and humidity levels, and your thoughts on solar power overall. While you're down there, consider giving the video a like and subscribe to the channel to catch more tech reviews and videos in the future. We also post daily short-form content here on YouTube and on Instagram and TikTok at CamXPetra, so there's plenty of content for you to watch. Until next time, bye.